Why should I choose this BONOSS Forge shell type wheel bolt kit? Beautiful, unique, and safe are the attractions of BONOSS shell type bolt kits. There are 8 colors of shells to choose from, bringing different styles of rings. Compared with other products, BONOSS shell wheel bolt kit adopts anodized surface treatment, which has strong anti-rust ability and durable shell color. BONOSS has over 10 years of professional design and manufacturing experience. We have sufficient inventory to ensure faster delivery. After-sales warranty for 10 years will be more rest assured. All of our products have got more than 50 SGS and 2V authority test reports. BONOSS provides higher performance, more additional functions, faster customized service, which is your best choice. What are the benefits of installing BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 shell type bolt kit? Installing BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 shell bolt kit is a way of expressing owner's personality, while obtaining a better appearance. It can also ensure the driving safety of the vehicle. The surface treatment of the shell is hard anodized, which is bright in color and make it not easy to fade. Anti-fouling, anti-rust to protect the bolt. The wheel bolts have achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. One set also contains a lock key and 4 pieces locking wheel bolts to prevent the wheel from being stolen, improve safety. Is it safe to use BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 shell bolt kit? Installing this shell type wheel bolt kit is a safe and popular way. Replace the original wheel bolts to bring a different style experience to your wheels. If you use high quality shell type wheel bolt kit and install them properly, they are completely safe. What's the difference between BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 shell type bolt kit and others? Each set of BONOSS Grade 12.9 shell type wheel bolt kit has 4 pieces locking wheel bolts and a lock key. Compared with ordinary locking wheel bolts, BONOSS uses a special spline lock design, matching the lock key to ensure uniqueness of the product. These wheel bolts are made of SCM 440 alloy steel, with higher performance and higher strength. By installing this wheel bolt kit can protect your value wheels from theft and have higher security. The BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 shell type wheel bolt kit adopts a 2 pieces design. The shell part with better materials and different colors to bring a more satisfactory overall appearance. Using alloy steel SCM 440 wheel bolts, reaching the ISO standard grade 12.9. BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 wheel bolt is made by forging process, which is formed by continuous strong pressure that brings excellent mechanical and physical properties. The 12-pintle shape design on the head of the wheel bolts can only be manufactured by a large tonnage machine for forging at one time. The ordinary forging process can form this pattern on a hard alloy steel, which further reflects super forging process. With high tensile strength, high toughness, better wheel resistance, and ISO standard grade 12.9. How to install BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 shell type wheel bolt kit. Step 1. Using torque wrench to remove wheel bolts of your rims. Step 2. Then install BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 wheel bolts. Each set has 4 locking wheel bolts that prevent your expensive wheels from being theft. We install 1 locking bolt on each wheel. Using 70mm socket to tighten the wheel bolt in a star pattern. with 140 Nm and a special lock key to tighten the locking wheel bolt. Mounting the shell on BONOSS grade 12.9 wheel bolts and torque it with 5 Nm to 10 Nm. If you need to change the shell color, just remove the shell and replace it. If you want to buy this BONOSS Forge grade 12.9 shell type wheel bolt kit, please see the link below. See you next time, bye bye!